Hey guys, want to learn how to make this delicious, simple tuna fish on toast with very simple ingredients, just onions, mayonnaise, any mayonnaise of your choice, and toasted bread? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today we're going to be making tuna fish on toast. And I really like this. This is one of my favorite sandwiches. So we're first going to start with opening up the can of tuna fish. Okay, so basically it's a very simple tuna fish sandwich. I just like to put mayonnaise in mine, and I like to dice onion. Very small. Okay, so we're going to drain the tuna fish. So what I did was I just poured off the excess liquid that's in here. Okay, and this is the avocado solid white, which is the only one that I like. I don't like the other kinds. You know, they have different types. I only like to get the solid white one. And usually because it comes in more chunks and bigger pieces. Alright, so I like to just break it down a little bit further. Let me make sure you guys are on the screen. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I'm going to put this to the side. Alright, then I like to take, I have a small onion over here. Okay, which I'm going to, it's a little bit of tuna oil on this. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. Tip off. Then I like to cut it lengthwise. Okay, I'm going to remove the outer layer. Okay, there we go. And like I said, I like the tuna, the onion diced very small. Okay, so I'm going to make some cuts lengthwise, and then I'm going to come across it like this. I'm just going to give you a very small dice. And I like a lot of onion in my sandwich too. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. And you see it's very small. Okay, I could even get it smaller than that, but that's okay for now. Alrighty, so I've got my bread toasting in the toaster oven. Just wipe my hands for a minute. Okay, so we're going to bring our tuna fish back. We're going to add our onion. Like I said, I like a lot of onion in mine. Alright. If you're still with me, please consider subscribing. Give me a like. Whichever you prefer to do, share the video with someone you think might like the sandwich. Also, welcome back for those of you that have been here before. Okay, and if you're new, again, please consider subscribing. It only takes a second. Just a friendly reminder. I know sometimes we're watching videos and we forget. I know I forget when I'm watching a video. I get so focused on the video and then I forget to subscribe. But please give me a like or subscribe. Okay. Now, for the mayonnaise, you can use whatever mayonnaise you like. You can use light mayonnaise, low sodium. Okay, for this it doesn't really matter. It's to your taste. Alright, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. Again, this is 1 can of tuna fish. So I'm going to add this 1 tablespoon and mix that around. And a little bit more. So I normally add 2 tablespoons, but lately my son has been telling me, Ma, you add too much mayonnaise. And so what I'm going to do is, even though this isn't for me, because he doesn't like onion in his, but I'm going to start adding less mayonnaise. So this is about 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise in here. Normally I add 2, but you know what, I'm going to start, it's healthier, it's less calories. Okay. There you go, it's got my onions in there. I almost forgot my toast. And again, like I said, this is a very simple recipe. You can add tomatoes and lettuce if you like, but right now I just want to make a very simple, you make your sandwich to your taste. Just want to make a very simple one right now. Okay. You can add, this is enough, this 1 can is enough for 2 sandwiches. Toast this a little. Let me see how it looks on the other side because I have to take my thumbnail. Okay. That way. Now, you can cut it in several ways. You can cut it crosswise or lengthwise. I cut it different ways, but today, I think I'm going to cut it lengthwise. Well, no, crosswise. On the diagonal. Okay. I got a pot here because I'm making some coffee to go with that. Okay, and like I said, you can also add, if you have any spices or seasonings in your cabinet that you want to add to this. I have added in the past, I have added to this some rotisserie seasoning, which is one of my favorite seasonings. I have added to this some garlic powder. I've also added parsley flakes. I'm trying to remember because I've added different things to this before. It depends on the mood, whatever you feel that you want to add to your sandwich, You know, some people I have even added cheese, but that's a different, you know, different type of sandwich. Okay, so whatever you've added to your sandwich, let me know in the comments. I'm interested in knowing. Okay, and there you go. Okay, there's our simple tuna fish sandwich. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to taste this. And I'm trying to taste it in a not too conspicuous spot because I want to take my thumbnail. I haven't taken my thumbnail yet. Nice and crunchy. Just the way I like it. Again, guys, if you make this, please let me know in the comments. All right? And let me know how it came out. Let me know how you've made it. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Thank you for visiting.